Could a blind Bulgarian mystic who died decades ago have predicted humanity's first alien contact? Baba Vanga's mysterious 2025 prophecy about extraterrestrial visitors is sending shockwaves through the scientific community as 3I Atlas, an enigmatic interstellar object, races toward Earth with characteristics that really defy conventional explanation. What's happening in our skies might fulfill ancient predictions in ways nobody expected. What if the most shocking prediction in human history is unfolding right before our eyes? Baba Vanga, the legendary Bulgarian prophet who died in 1996, allegedly foresaw that 2025 would mark humanity's first definitive contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. According to sources who documented her visions, she described strange visitors from distant stars arriving during this crucial year, bringing both knowledge and profound changes to human civilization. Her predictions specifically mentioned objects appearing in Earth's sky that would challenge everything scientists thought they knew about space and our place in the universe. The mystic reportedly described these visitors as ancient beings who had been traveling through the cosmos for billions of years, carrying secrets about the origins of life itself. She allegedly stated that these encounters would initially confuse scientists, who would struggle to determine whether they were witnessing natural phenomena or something far more extraordinary. Vanga's prediction included details about how these cosmic visitors would study Earth's inhabitants, before revealing their true nature and intentions. Most remarkably, she supposedly predicted that the first signs would appear as mysterious objects moving through our solar system in ways that defied natural explanation, exactly matching what scientists are now observing with 3I Atlas. Her followers believe this prophecy is beginning its fulfillment as humanity witnesses unprecedented cosmic events. How did a blind peasant woman from Bulgaria achieve such an extraordinary reputation for predicting world events? Baba Vanga, born Vangelia Pandeva Gushtarova, claimed to possess supernatural abilities after losing her sight in a mysterious storm during childhood. Throughout her lifetime, she allegedly made thousands of predictions, with supporters claiming an 85% accuracy rate for events that later came to pass. Her supposed successes include predicting the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster, the 9/11 terrorist attacks, and various natural disasters that occurred decades after her death. Believers point to her alleged prediction about the 44th American president being African American, which they claim accurately foretold Barack Obama's election. She reportedly predicted that Europe would become uninhabitable by 2025, though interpretations of this prophecy vary widely among her followers. Vanga allegedly foresaw major climate changes, technological breakthroughs, and social upheavals that would transform human society in the early 21st century. Critics argue that many of these predictions were documented after the events occurred, making verification impossible, but her reputation continues to influence millions of people worldwide. Her prophecies about space exploration and extraterrestrial contact have gained renewed attention as astronomical discoveries increasingly challenge conventional understanding. Whether authentic or not, her 2025 alien prediction has captured global imagination as scientists grapple with mysterious objects like 3I Atlas that seem to validate her most extraordinary claims. What specific details did Baba Vanga allegedly provide about humanity's first encounter with alien intelligence? According to documented accounts from her followers, she predicted that 2025 would mark the beginning of open communication between Earth and extraterrestrial civilizations that have been quietly observing our planet for millennia. Her prophecy described these aliens as highly advanced beings who travel in objects that appear as both natural and artificial, confusing scientists who attempt to study them using conventional methods. She allegedly stated that these visitors would arrive from directions that challenge astronomical understanding, moving through space in ways that suggest intelligence rather than random cosmic wandering. The prediction included details about how these beings would initially reveal themselves through ambiguous signs that could be interpreted as either natural phenomena or technological artifacts. Vanga supposedly described the aliens as ancient entities who had witnessed the birth and death of countless civilizations throughout the galaxy, bringing wisdom about cosmic cycles and humanity's destiny. Her prophecy allegedly mentioned that these visitors would study Earth's inhabitants for several months before making direct contact, gathering information about human society, technology, and spiritual development. She reportedly predicted that the initial encounter would occur during a time when humanity faces significant global challenges, suggesting that alien intervention might provide solutions to pressing problems. Most intriguingly, her prophecy allegedly described the visitors arriving in objects that scientists would initially classify as comets or asteroids, only to discover evidence of artificial origins that, revolutionize understanding of cosmic intelligence. Could this ancient cosmic wanderer be the alien visitor that Baba Vanga foresaw decades ago? 3I Atlas, discovered on July 1, 2025, represents only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system, making it, honestly, an extraordinarily rare cosmic event. This mysterious visitor originated from beyond our solar system, traveling through interstellar space for potentially billions of years before entering our cosmic neighborhood. The object measures approximately 1 to 12 kilometers in diameter, making it significantly larger than previous interstellar visitors like Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, which captured worldwide attention but, departed before scientists could conduct comprehensive analysis. 3I Atlas displays characteristics that don't match typical comets or asteroids, exhibiting a perfect combination of natural and artificial features that continue to puzzle astronomers worldwide. The object was initially designated A11PL3Z before receiving its official interstellar classification, reflecting the complex process of determining its true nature and origins. Its discovery by the Atlas Telescope Network in Chile fulfilled Vanga's alleged prediction about mysterious objects appearing from distant stars during 2025. The timing of this discovery, occurring exactly when her prophecy specified alien contact would begin, has convinced many believers that humanity is witnessing the fulfillment of her most extraordinary prediction. Scientists continue studying 3I Atlas using every available technique, searching for definitive answers about whether this ancient visitor represents natural space debris or something far more significant for human civilization. Why is Harvard's most prominent astronomer suggesting that 3I Atlas might represent alien technology? Professor Avi Loeb, chair of Harvard University's astronomy department and one of the world's most respected astrophysicists, has publicly stated that 3I Atlas exhibits characteristics consistent with artificial, rather than natural origins. Loeb points to the object's statistically improbable trajectory, which lies almost perfectly in the ecliptic plane with only a 0.2% chance of occurring randomly, suggesting deliberate navigation rather than cosmic accident. He emphasizes that the object's extreme velocity of 58 kilometers per second and hyperbolic orbit with eccentricity 6.14 represent the most extreme values recorded for any interstellar visitor, indicating possible propulsion systems beyond current human understanding. The professor argues that 3I Atlas's behavior patterns, including its strategic timing and planetary encounter sequence, resemble a reconnaissance mission designed to study our solar system while minimizing detection risks. Loeb suggests that dismissing artificial possibilities without thorough investigation violates basic scientific methodology, especially when natural explanations fail to account for observed anomalies. His theory aligns remarkably with Baba Vanga's prophecy about alien visitors arriving in objects that initially appear natural but reveal technological characteristics upon closer examination. Other scientists have criticized Loeb's speculation as premature, but his reputation and academic credentials lend credibility to claims that 3I Atlas deserves consideration as potential alien technology. This scientific debate reflects the extraordinary nature of discoveries that seem to validate predictions made by a Bulgarian mystic decades before the technology existed to detect such objects. What specific features of this cosmic visitor suggest it might be more than just a wandering space rock? Detailed observations reveal that 3I Atlas possesses a remarkably spherical shape with minimal brightness variations during its 29-hour rotation period, contrasting sharply with the chaotic tumbling expected from natural objects ejected during violent stellar system interactions. The object maintains an unusually smooth and uniform surface appearance, lacking the irregular features and impact craters that should accumulate during billions of years of interstellar travel through cosmic debris fields. Its reddish coloration resembles manufactured materials more than pristine ice or rock, suggesting complex surface processing or artificial coating systems designed to protect internal structures. Most intriguingly, 3I Atlas exhibits controlled outgassing patterns that produce a faint coma and short tail, but these features appear far more regulated than the chaotic sublimation typical of natural comets approaching the Sun. Spectroscopic analysis reveals water ice signatures that don't match expected patterns, with observed signals rising where theoretical models predict they should drop, indicating possible artificial manipulation of surface chemistry. The object's extreme age of over 7 billion years raises questions about how any natural materials could remain so well preserved after eons of cosmic ray bombardment and micrometeorite impacts. Its brightness exceeds that of any previous interstellar visitor, suggesting either unusual reflectivity properties or potential internal illumination systems. These characteristics create a profile that fits neither conventional comet nor asteroid classifications, demanding new explanatory frameworks that might include artificial origins as Baba Vanga allegedly predicted. So how are scientists wrestling with evidence that seems to validate a mystic's impossible prophecy? The astronomical community, is still deeply divided over 3I Atlas's true nature. Some researchers are sticking to natural explanations while others say that, honestly, artificial origins can't be dismissed without a really comprehensive investigation. Mainstream scientists argue that these unusual characteristics probably result from unique formation conditions in distant stellar systems, exotic material compositions, or maybe some rare gravitational interactions during the object's interstellar journey, which, by the way, could have spanned billions of years. They emphasize that, extraordinary claims about alien technology require extraordinary evidence, and that just doesn't exist in the current observational data, no matter how statistically improbable or anomalous the behavior patterns might seem. However, a growing number of researchers acknowledge that 3I Atlas exhibits just too many unprecedented characteristics to completely dismiss artificial possibilities, especially considering the mathematical impossibility of its trajectory occurring purely by random processes. The trajectory analysis, for instance, reveals that the object passes unusually close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, with only a 0.005% probability of such planetary encounters happening naturally. That suggests perhaps some kind of deliberate navigation designed for comprehensive solar system reconnaissance. Critics of natural explanations are quick to point out that conventional models really fail to account for the object's perfect ecliptic alignment, its controlled outgassing patterns, and its remarkable preservation state despite extreme age. This ongoing debate honestly reflects much broader questions about scientific methodology when we're confronted with potentially paradigm-shifting discoveries that challenge our fundamental assumptions about cosmic intelligence and humanity's place in the universe. And in a strange twist, this controversy perfectly matches Baba Vanga's alleged prediction that alien visitors would initially confuse scientists who would struggle to distinguish between natural phenomena and extraterrestrial technology. Could 3I Atlas represent humanity's first confirmed encounter with technology from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? The spacecraft hypothesis suggests that this ancient visitor serves as an automated probe launched by intelligent beings billions of years ago, designed to survey potentially habitable star systems throughout the galaxy. Advanced propulsion systems might explain the object's extreme velocity and precise trajectory, utilizing technologies beyond current human understanding to navigate interstellar distances while maintaining operational capability across cosmic timescales. The probe theory accounts for 3I Atlas's strategic approach to planetary encounters, suggesting that alien engineers designed its mission parameters to gather maximum scientific data about Earth, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, while minimizing detection risks. Its stealth-like behavior, including optimal timing for solar occultation during closest approach, matches theoretical predictions for how cautious alien civilizations might conduct reconnaissance missions in potentially dangerous inhabited systems. The object's remarkable preservation despite billions of years in space could result from advanced materials science and self-repair mechanisms that maintain structural integrity and operational capability throughout extended interstellar voyages. Internal power systems might explain the unusual thermal signatures and controlled outgassing patterns that distinguish 3I Atlas from natural comets, suggesting active systems rather than passive sublimation processes. The probe hypothesis aligns perfectly with Baba Vanga's prophecy about ancient beings who had witnessed cosmic cycles across billions of years, arriving to study human civilization before revealing their presence and intentions to Earth's inhabitants. When might Baba Vanga's prophecy reach its ultimate fulfillment through direct communication with alien intelligence? The critical timeline centers on 3Y Atlas's perihelion approach on October 30, 2025, when the object reaches its closest point to the Sun and potentially activates dormant systems designed to initiate contact protocols with Earth's inhabitants. Following solar conjunction, the object will re-emerge in December 2025, providing what believers consider the most likely window for alien beings to reveal their true nature and begin open communication with humanity. This timing matches Vanga's alleged prediction that initial contact would occur during the final months of 2025, after several months of careful observation and data gathering by extraterrestrial visitors. Scientific monitoring campaigns scheduled throughout November and December will provide unprecedented observation opportunities, potentially revealing technological signatures or communication attempts that confirm artificial origins. The timeline allows sufficient observation periods for hypothetical alien intelligence to assess human technological capabilities, social structures, and readiness for contact before making themselves known to Earth's civilizations. Various space agencies and astronomical institutions are coordinating comprehensive observation programs designed to detect any potential signals, structural changes, or behavioral modifications that might indicate active alien technology. Amateur astronomers worldwide are also participating in citizen science projects to monitor 3I Atlas for any unusual activity that professional telescopes might miss. The November-December 2025 window represents humanity's best opportunity to confirm or refute theories about alien contact, as the object will depart the solar system forever if no evidence emerges during this critical period. How might advanced alien intelligence use 3I Atlas to study and potentially contact human civilization? The interaction scenario suggests that the object serves as a sophisticated observation platform, equipped with sensors capable of analyzing Earth's atmosphere, electromagnetic emissions, and biological signatures from its strategic vantage point during planetary encounters. Atmospheric analysis conducted during Venus and Earth approaches could provide alien scientists with detailed information about our planet's habitability, industrial development, and environmental challenges facing human civilization. The object's position allows comprehensive study of human radio communications, internet traffic, and satellite networks, giving hypothetical extraterrestrial observers unprecedented insight into our technological capabilities and social structures. Gravitational monitoring during the object's passage might enable alien scientists to map Earth's internal structure, tectonic activity, and natural resource distribution with extraordinary precision. The reconnaissance phase, lasting several months, matches Baba Vanga's prophecy about aliens conducting careful evaluation before deciding whether to establish direct contact with human governments or scientific institutions. If 3I Atlas contains alien technology, its operators might use December's re-emergence to transmit signals directly to Earth's radio telescopes, space agencies, or selected human representatives deemed most suitable for initial contact protocols. The interaction could range from simple mathematical signals proving artificial origins to complex data downloads, sharing advanced knowledge about cosmic civilization, interstellar travel, or solutions to pressing global challenges. This scenario represents the culmination of Vanga's prophecy, transforming humanity's understanding of intelligence in the universe and our species' cosmic destiny through contact with beings who have observed the rise and fall of countless civilizations across billions of years. As 3I Atlas continues its enigmatic journey through our solar system, the world watches with unprecedented anticipation for signs that might fulfill Baba Vanga's most extraordinary prophecy. Whether this ancient visitor proves to be natural space debris or humanity's first alien contact, the coming months will determine if 2025 becomes the year everything changes. The truth awaits discovery. Keep exploring these cosmic mysteries with Simply Science. Like, share and subscribe for the latest updates on this developing story.